Om Shanti. Avyakt signals to make us all Avyakt angel. Golden gift from Madhuban, from beloved Bap Dada and Dadis. Avyakt signal is a kind of celebrating divine qualities and virtues while imbibing in our life on our spiritual journey. Month of February, our aim and focus: inculcate the virtues of sweetness and love in your life, and all other virtues will easily come. I, the soul, inculcate the virtue of sweetness and love in my life, and all other virtues will come easily. Today, February 8th, your sweet words and the vibrations of your sweet words will attract everyone towards you. Let your every word and every thought for every soul be sweet and great. Have the nature to uplift everyone, the nature of sweetness and the nature of humility, and there will unity in the gathering. All discrimination will finish. Om Shanti. I sit in silence, become point of light, totally relaxed, totally comfortable, stable, and visualize my beautiful self in the middle of my forehead. Personalize this Avyakt signal. Avyakt Drashti, Avyakt smile. I appreciate sitting before Baba. Avyakt aura, Avyakt vibrations, and I absorb in this Avyakt energy. And personalize today's Avyakt signal. Beloved Baba, I have understood my sweet words and vibration of my sweet words will attract everyone towards you, Baba. I, the soul, practicing my every word and every thought for every soul be sweet and great. Baba, I am keeping the nature to uplift everyone. I am keeping the nature of sweetness and nature of humility. So there will be unity in gathering. Beloved Baba, I am holding your hand. I am bringing all the souls to you so they can experience your sweetness, Baba. They can experience your unconditional love, Baba. Beloved Baba, I am remaining sweet and humble, and all discrimination is finishing. Everywhere there is a harmony. I feel Baba is applying me the tilak of harmony, sweetness, and unity. Wherever I go, I spread that light. All day long, we all will maintain our thoughts, words to uplift everyone. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti.